Today's tutorial dives into the technique of overlaying videos. Begin by ensuring your initial clip resides in video track 1. If unfamiliar with this step, there are comprehensive tutorials available to guide you through it. Moving on to the overlay process, select the desired clip you wish to layer over the existing footage. For this demonstration, a clip featuring YouTube will be used. Drag this selected clip over to video track 2, aligning it precisely where needed. After positioning the clip, navigate to the Inspector panel. Within the video settings, locate options to refine the overlay. Start by adjusting the zoom. It's essential to keep the Y-axis linked for a consistent and proportional zoom effect. Fine-tune the clip's position as required, ensuring it aligns seamlessly with the base footage. These adjustments facilitate a cohesive blend and enhanced visual dynamics. Stay tuned for more insights and tips in future tutorials. Have a productive day ahead!